Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this time it is April's edition of Birchbox, and this is what it looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's a flip lid. Look, it flip lid. Ooh, and that's what it looks like in there. I'll open it up and show you in detail in a little while, but if you're new to Birchbox and you just want to see the content, as always I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to flick forward. So Birchbox is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £2.95 postage and packaging. This is the UK version. There is a Birchbox US, a Birchbox France and Spain, I believe, but it's all different versions. I will add links down below, including links to this Birchbox and a refer a friend code if you're interested in taking a subscription out for yourself. I have a £5 off your first box, I believe. So all the details related to this and other Birchboxes around the world, I will link that down below. So click on the show more, that'll bring description, and all the details and everything will be down there. So I tend to dip in and out with this subscription. It was the very first subscription box I received before I started YouTube. I had it for a whole year and I just tended to get a little bit bored. It was just because I started receiving other subscription boxes, and then I can't help but you compare, don't you? But on the website, on the Birchbox website, it actually says it is the #1 UK beauty box. So it's a very popular box. So that's why I keep on dipping in and out. I like to have a look online to see what they're doing. And then if I can find a 50% off code, then I just use that and get out another subscription. So I'm thinking of keeping this for a little while, because a lot of you have been saying that Birchbox have upped their game over the last couple of months. So I will stick with this over the summer anyway, and let's see how it does. The type of products you get are a mixture of hair care, skincare and makeup. It doesn't claim to be a full-size product type of beauty box. A lot of the items you get are samples, and they can be tiny samples. It's one of the cheapest beauty boxes out there, if the cheapest. It might well be the cheapest you can get. It says on their website that inside you will receive 5 samples or deluxe samples. You might get the odd full-size item now and again. The aim is to try before you buy. So the products that they have in this box, if you really like them and you want to buy the bigger size, then you can go onto the Birchbox website, and it sells everything related to the products that they sell in the boxes, and you can have 10% off. They also do a 6-month and a 12-month subscription, and that brings the cost down a little bit as well. But as I said, I'll link that down below if you're interested. But now and again we get to choose between 2 particular products. Now this month it was I think it's a highlighter, and I missed the deadline to choosing which highlighter I wanted. So they don't do it every month, but now and again you get to choose, like between a lipstick shade or a bronzing shade or a blush, but this month it was a highlighter, so I'm not sure which one they've put in here now, but we'll see anyway. So yeah, so you might get to choose that. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. I love this. I absolutely love it. It looks like a little jewellery box. It is stunning. So you got a little card here, and in here tells you everything about the products, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. There you go. I'll give you a quick look first. It looks jam-packed in there. Right, what I want to do, I want to see if there's like a little film on here. Oh, look. There you go. Say hello to my camera. There's a proper mirror. Oh wow! The last time I had a Birchbox was, I think it was November last year, so I don't know whether this is like a regular thing now. Please let me know if this type of box is what we get every month. If so, I think that's beautiful. So we've got a sneak peek at the back, and it says May sneak peek is a pick your Lord and Berry treat. You've got an ultimate lip liner in vintage rose, or a line and shade eye pencil in long lasting black. So that's a sneak peek. I think because I've got quite a few black eyeliners, I'm going to opt for this one, which is the lip liner, unless I miss the deadline again. I don't know why I missed the deadline for the highlighters, but never mind. Right, so the first item, we've got a Beaver Beauty Pure and Expert Cherry Blossom, oh lovely, conditioner. And this is a balanced, softening, weightless, lightly quench strands with the help of this alluring blend of cherry blossom extract. It helps to restore elasticity, strength, shine and balance. And this is a 40ml. So it's more like a mini or a travel size. I'm not going to try it on my hands obviously because it's a conditioner, but I just want to smell, see how strong of cherries it is. No, not a strong smell, but it's quite nice. It's quite nice, and it's sulfate free as well, which is good. I'm assuming it's a travel size because the recommended retail price for the bigger size is £19.40, and it looks like a large bottle there, so you can see there. So the information says it can be tough to find a conditioner that takes hair from flat to full without weighing it down. But this one has changed the game. The strengthening, balancing and tangle fighting formula will nourish and revitalise your hair whilst adding oomph and shine. So I've never tried that before, so I'm really happy to try that. So that's the first item. Next we've got a highlighter, and it's a Birchbox exclusive, or it's a collaboration with Estate, and it's Dew Me. Ooh, Afterglow. I've got Afterglow. I don't know what that is. I'll show you now. Baked highlighter powder. So that's the outer packaging. I got the pink one. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous colour, but whoa. Look at it. It looks lilac. I love the packaging. That is super cool. It's a highlighter. Can you see? Whoa, let me try it on my hand. No, it's not for me at all, unfortunately. No, it's too like iridescent-y, pinky purple. No. No. Can you see? I'm not sure if it'll pick up the light there. It is really pretty, really pretty. Oh, I'm gutted I missed the deadline to choose the other one. The other one, I'm not sure if you can see there. Up there. So it's more like a goldy tone. Never mind. So the recommended retail price for this is £10, and it's a full size, and it's by Estate Cosmetics. The silky smooth powder brightens and highlights skin in a single sweep, blending seamlessly and smoothly to give your cheekbones, brow bones or eyes just the right glow. Its baked technology creates a sheer light texture for delicate looking buildable radiance. Trust us. So that's the second item. Unfortunately for me, I'd be giving that away, but yeah, if you've got the other one, let me know what it's like. I'd love to know. So on to the next one then. And we have got a Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, and this is a 7ml natural skincare. Doesn't say much more, just an eye cream there. I've probably had this before. We've had a lot of Balance Me products from Birchbox and Glossybox, and possibly Pink Parcel as well, so I might have tried it. This is rated 4-star on the website, but it's a sample, and the recommended retail price for the full size is £20. It says perk up your peepers with this wonderfully multitasking eye cream using a unique blend of Roman chamomile, virgin coconut, cucumber, rosehip and carrot oils. It'll depuff, soften, smooth and brighten. Simply tap and blend the 99% natural cream around your eyes each day and night. So unfortunately I can't remember if I've tried it or not. I try so many cosmetics, especially when they're this size as well, because they don't last that long. Although eye creams, they tend to last a long time. So I don't know if I've had it or not. I don't think I have, but no, I'll give it a go. The ingredients sound amazing, don't they? Sound really lovely. So that's our third item. Next, we got a Benefit product, and this was the one that was mentioned on their website that we'll all be getting one. And this is the Pore Professional Pore Primer, and this is a sample 3ml. So that's what it looks like there. I'll just pop it out and show you. I do like this. I've had the big version before, and it's lovely. It's lovely. I'll show you on my hand now. Can you see? And you just, oh, there. Can you see there? Even on my hand, oh, I wish the camera would pick it up. Even on my hand where I've applied it there, you know, you've got pores on your hand, you can see it's completely flat. And the rest of my hand, you can see all my little pores. It's mad. It is mad. If you're looking for a primer that tackles your pores and disguises them, definitely recommend trying to get a sample one of these to try it. It is amazing. It is amazing. And actually, I need to get a bigger one, I think. I just can't get over that. It's completely flat. You can't see my pores whatsoever, but all around it you can. No, that's mad. It contains silica, so I know a lot of people don't like using silica in their makeup products. It's fine with my skin. I don't break out or anything, and it's fine. But no. Right then, so this is obviously a sample size. The recommended retail price for the full size is £28, and it says the silky oil-free primer diffuses pores and fine lines for an airbrush finish whilst keeping your makeup in place. It goes on sheer, leaving skin instantly even and smooth. No wonder it's the UK's #1 bestseller. Use it under makeup or dab over the top of your midday touch-ups. So that's that item. And lastly, we got a mask, and this is a diamond eye mask, brighten and depuff, made with real diamonds and caffeine extract, and this is by Vitamasks. I love the packaging. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick that up there, if you can see the writing. It's like holographic. And that is super cool. So this is a full-size product and the recommended retail price for this is £4.99. Whether it's late Netflix-fueled nights or a tiring commute, chances are your eyes could do with some TLC. Enter this all-star blend of diamond powder, yes really, caffeine to hydrate, brighten and depuff. Apply a pad to each under eye, relax for 10 to 15 minutes and voila. Ooh, right, okay, I haven't tried these. I've tried a lot of vitamin masks in the past. They come from Korea, they're cruelty-free, they're vegan, they're lovely masks, but I've never tried this one. No, so that's the 5th item. So I just gather them all up and then I'm going to add them all up as well. We've got an estate highlighter, we've got a Vitamasks eye pad mask there, and we've got, what is this, Beaver, and it's a cherry blossom hair conditioner. We've got a Pore Professional by Benefit, and we've got an eye cream by Balance Me. So these 5 items come to between £25 and £30, so way above the cost of the box, and I'm quite chuffed this month actually. Birchbox is very hit and miss with me. Sometimes I just find it like just not worth the money. The boxes are to die for. The boxes are beautiful. They are gorgeous and they're the main pull, in all honesty, for some of the boxes I've gone for in the past. But I thought I would give it a go to see what it's like this month, and I'll continue to do so over the next couple of months. But no, I think it's lovely. The Pore Professional has just made me realise how good it is, so I am going to buy the full-size version. This mask seems really interesting, so I'm going to try that. Shame about this, but it's my own fault because I missed the deadline to choose, so I'm going to be gifting that away. But yeah, the eye cream, I might have tried it before, can't remember, but I'll give it a go. And yeah, I like a sulfate-free conditioner there, and cherry blossom. Even though it doesn't smell strong, I'm hoping it'll give a little bit of smell when I put it on my hair. This mask is just flapping away here. So yeah, so for my first Birchbox in a good few months, I think this is great. I'm really chuffed I got it. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you get Birchbox? Is it a regular box of yours? Or are you like me, where you tend to dip in and out depending on the box style, and obviously some of the contents that are on their website, like trying to prize you back into subscribing with them? I'd love to know your thoughts on this month's box as well. What do you think of it? So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I think I'm going to have a little bit of a quieter week next week. I've been unboxing nearly every day this week, if not every day, I think, so I've been doing a lot, but it always seems to happen. The first week of every month, it's like sub-box mania. It's just crazy. So anyway, take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.